ready to rumble in the world of sales and marketing. First, let's examine Apollo, a robust sales intelligence platform packed with features for prospecting, outreach, and analytics. Notice the comprehensive database of contacts and companies, allowing you to pinpoint your ideal customer. You can create highly targeted email sequences, track engagement metrics, and automate follow-ups, streamlining your sales process. Apollo offers advanced reporting, providing valuable insights into your team's performance. Keep in mind that Apollo's pricing can be on the higher end, especially for larger teams. Now, let's step into the ring with Instantly.ai, known for its strengths in AI-powered cold email outreach and email deliverability. Its key focus is on automating the process of warming up your email accounts. Instantly.ai allows you to easily manage multiple email accounts, distribute your sending across various addresses, and closely monitor deliverability rates. Its AI algorithms optimize sending patterns to avoid spam filters. However, compared to Apollo, Instantly.ai offers fewer features beyond cold email and lacks the depth of contact data. Instantly.ai tends to be more affordable, particularly for solopreneurs or smaller teams. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your specific needs. Apollo is ideal for comprehensive sales intelligence and full-fledged sales teams. Instantly.ai shines for focused cold email automation and improving email deliverability. Especially with smaller budgets, choose your champion wisely.